Greetings! Today we're looking at the inspection kit from BlastOne. This inspection kit contains all the materials that a coating inspector and specifically a painting contractor should have on every major job site. Because with the correct tools, your painting supervisors and crew can ensure they're doing the right job to meet the spec that's required for the job. So today we're going to open up these boxes and show you what's all included in this kit. So let's start with the big one first. This is the PosiTector 6000 kit. What you can see in the box is we have the PosiTector 6000 with the separate probe. This is for measuring your coating thickness. Obviously the PosiTector 6000 comes with interchangeable probes where you can take one probe off and slip on the next probe. So it comes with this DPM probe, which is dew point meter. This is for taking all your atmospheric measurements at a point in time. Included in this kit, to make life a lot easier for you, we've included the DPM-L, which is the dew point meter logger. This is the device you can leave sitting on the tank or on whatever surface you're working on, and it will take systematic readings throughout the day, throughout the week, and you can come back to that anytime. We've also got in this box, we've got a certified plastic shim kit. These are not the ones that typically come with a kit, but these are the high caliber ones that are completely certified and traceable with a long form of certificate. We have a bundle of wet film thickness gauges, we have some screen protectors and some replacement parts for the DPM-L, a battery, and everybody needs a tape measure. So here's a small one from DeFelsko for you. As you'll see in this box, we've got all the certificates of conformance. These are the long forms of calibration that come with this kit. This next one here is our dust tape kit. So dust tape is very important because you want to make sure that your surface doesn't have too much dust on it in accordance with the standard. So in this kit we have the visual piece where you can see actually on the surface 10 times magnifier. We have our tape, we have scissors, it's a certificate, and then we have the ISO dust report form, which gives you all the examples that you need, and the reporting form for actually doing the job, so you can actually see how much dust is on the surface and compare it using the comparator. So that's what's included in the dust tape kit. And then finally we have this Testex kit, which is a new product from DeFelsko. It's a very good product. It's a new electronic Bluetooth capable micrometer, which works the same way as all the other DeFelsko gauges. So you can turn it on and you can work through your surface profile readings with your Testex tape. It's a lot better than the old versions, and they've made some improvements to the Testex tape itself and the way we use it to give us a better reading. This kit comes with 3 different grades of Testex tape, so you can get going out of the box immediately on any of those surfaces you have. So there's 150 pieces in there, and it comes with the new burnishing tool released by DeFelsko, which is used to getting the right pressure on that Testex tape so you get a consistent, accurate reading. With this new gear, DeFelsko can now offer a higher level of accuracy and performance guarantee on their tool. And of course it comes with the long form certificate that comes with all DeFelsko devices. So there you have it. There's all the tools that are included in this latest bundle from BlastOne. It's everything that a coating inspector or a paint supervisor needs on a blasting and painting job site.